These are some miniature sheet of India, and this is a handloom of India miniature sheet. It consists of various kind of handloom items of India, and this is a very beautiful miniature sheet. Now you can see the whole miniature sheet. This is a embroideries of India miniature sheet, and it consists of total 12 number of stamps, and each stamp defines various types of embroideries of India, and it's cover all over the India's embroideries in a single stamp sheet. Now you can see a close view of these stamps. Wow, this is a very beautiful miniature sheet, and the Indian embroideries are very nice. Now you can see an odd shaped miniature sheet of India, and it published in the event of the 550 years birth anniversary of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and the name of the miniature sheet is Prakash Guru Purab, and it consists of total 5 number of stamp, and each stamp consists of different type of Gurudwara situated at different place, like Gurudwara at Sultanpur. This one is Gurudwara at Sultanpur. This is Gurudwara at Chungthang. This is the birthplace of Guru Nanak Ji, and this Gurudwara is situated at Gurudwaspur, and last one, this Gurudwara is situated at Bidhar. This is a 2018 miniature sheet, and the name of the miniature sheet is Communal Harmony, and it published on the event of 2018 Children's Day. You can see a miniature sheet published on the 150th birth anniversary of Sri Mahatma Gandhi Ji, and this miniature sheet consists of total 5 number of odd shaped stamp, and each stamp consists a storyline of Mahatma Gandhi Ji. Now have a close look. Now you can see another Mahatma Gandhi Ji's miniature sheet, and it published on the 150 years of birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi Ji, and it consists total 7 number of round shaped stamp. This is a miniature sheet of Ahimsa Paramo Dharma of Sri Mahatma Gandhi Ji, and this miniature sheet consists of 2 stamps, and each stamp defines the principle of Mahatma Gandhi Ji, that is Ahimsa Paramo Dharma. Now you can see 2017 Happy New Year miniature sheet, and it consists total 12 number of stamp, and each stamp define different kind of handmade item of India, and some stamp define in some historical places of India. Now have a close look of this stamp. Now you can see a odd shaped miniature sheet of Odisha Hockey Men's World Cup Bhubaneswar, organized in 2018. This is a miniature sheet of Mahabharata, and it published in the year 2017. This is a miniature sheet of Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology, and it consists only one stamp, and it published in the year of 2018. Now this is an odd-shaped miniature sheet of Hills Fort of Rajasthan, and it consists total 6 number of stamp, and each stamp defines some different kind of hilltop forts in Rajasthan, like Amer Fort, having a close view, Amer Fort, Kumbhalgarh Fort, Jaisalmer Fort, Gagron Fort, Chittorgarh Fort, and Ranthambore Fort. These all are hilltop forts, and all forts are located in Rajasthan. This is a India and Republic of Korea joint issue miniature sheet, and it consists of total 2 number of stamp, and it published in the year 2019. This is a miniature sheet of National Police Memorial, and it consists of total 2 number of stamp, and it published in the year 2018. This is a Fashion Series 1 miniature sheet, and it consists of total 4 number of stamp, and it published in the year 2018, and this is a Series 1 miniature sheet of Fashion Series. Have a close look of this miniature sheet. This is a Fashion Series 2 miniature sheet, and it consists of total 4 number of stamp, and it published in the year 2019, and its series number is 2. This is a Fashion Series 3 miniature sheet, and it consists of total 4 number of stamp, and it published in the year 2019. Have a close look. This is a miniature sheet of Indians in First World War, and the name of the miniature sheet is Indian War Memorials, and it consists total 6 number of stamp, and each stamp classify different types of war memorials situated in different places of India, like India Gate, India War Memorial, and many others. This is another miniature sheet of Indians in First World War, and it consists of total 4 number of stamps, and each stamps defines different type of battles occur in First World War. This is another miniature sheet series of Indians in First World War, and this miniature series consists total 4 number of stamps, and each stamps have 4 different warriors participating in First World War.